Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about alkenes. Alkenes is one among the hydrocarbons. The general formula for alkenes are CnH2n. That's it. CnH2n. In alkane, it will be CnH2n plus 2. But in the alkene, the general formula is CnH2n alone. Okay. What is the functional group of alkene? The functional group of alkene is double bond. Okay, it is double bond. Okay, if there is double bond means what will be the suffix in the IUPAC name? For example, in IUPAC name, the suffix will be ene, ene. Come on, let's name the alkenes. Now we are going to name the common name for these compounds. For this compound, the common name is ethylene. For this, there are 3 carbons, so it is called as propylene. This is butylene. 3 and more, we have to check whether it is in straight chain or it is in a side chain. So this is in straight chain, so it is named as N-butylene. And this is also how many carbon are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So straight chain. For straight chain N, 4 carbon. So the common name is butylene. What? For the above compound and this compound, both the common names are N-butylene, but the structure is somewhat different. So in order to overcome this difficulty, IUPAC named in common manner a worldwide that we will be seeing later. Come on, count the carbon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentylene, straight chain. So N-pentylene. And for this compound, the same name, N-pentylene. Now, let's learn the IUPAC name for these compounds. For IUPAC name, it will be totally different. We have to count the carbon. How many carbons are there? 1, 2. So, eth. 2 carbon means the prefix will be eth. What is the functional group here? Double bond. If the functional group is double bond, what will be the suffix? ene. Ethene. The name of this compound is ethene. And for this compound, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. So, prop. In which carbon the functional group is present? To the first carbon. 1 ene. Prop 1 ene is the IUPAC name. And for this compound, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. So but. To which carbon the functional group is attached? First carbon. We should not say it as a third carbon. Okay. First carbon. But 1 ene. And for this compound, 4 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. So but. To which carbon the functional group is attached? To the second carbon. So but2ene. And the next compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. So the prefix will be pent. To which carbon the double bond is attached? To the second carbon. So 2. If the double bond is present, what will be the suffix? Ene. Pent2ene. And now the last compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. So the prefix will be pent. And to which carbon the double bond is attached? To the first carbon. So pent 1. If the double bond is present, what will be the suffix? Ene. Pent 1 ene. We shall call it as 1 pentene, 2 pentene, and this as 2 butene, and this as 1 butene, 1 propene. Either we should call it as, we shall give the number in the middle or in the first. It doesn't matter. It depends upon your syllabus. Now, here, totally, for common name, you have to count the total number of carbons present in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means it's butylene. There is a side chain. So, if there is one side chain means we have to give iso. So, the name of this common name of this compound is isobutylene. Okay. And this count the entire carbon present in this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 compounds and one side chain. So iso for side chain, totally 5 carbons, that is pentylene. Iso-pentylene. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 carbon, hexylene, 2 side chains are there. So neo. If there is 2 side chain, neo-hexylene is the common name for this compound. And for this compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. So hexylene, one side chain is there. So isohexylene. From this, the common name is over. Now let's give the IUPAC name for this compound. IUPAC name. We have to count only the straight chain and the side chain in a separate manner. So 1, 2, 3. Can't we number from this side 1, 2, 3? If we number like this, the double bond carries the position of 2. So this is wrong. We have to give in this order. Okay. So in second carbon, the methyl group is attached. So the name of this compound is 2-methyl prop 1-ene, because the double bond is present in the first carbon and the methyl group is attached in the second carbon. So the name of this compound is 2-methyl prop 1-ene. And let's give the name for this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, because we have to give priority to the double bond. Okay. So in the third carbon, the methyl group is attached. So 3-methyl. How many carbons are there in straight chain? 4 carbons. 3-methyl but. To which carbon the double bond is attached? To the first carbon. So 1. If there is double bond, what will be the suffix? Ene. 3-methyl but 1-ene. And next compound 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 carbons are there in straight chain, and in the third carbon, one methyl group and another methyl groups are attached. So 3, 3 dimethyl but 1-ene is its IUPAC name. Okay, the next compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's pentene. In second carbon, methyl group is attached. So 2-methyl pent 1-ene, because the double bond is present in the functional group. Okay, this is the IUPAC name of this compounds. Next, we shall learn how to write the structure from the IUPAC name. We can write the structure from its IUPAC name. So what is here? Prop 1-ene. So prop in the sense we need to write 3 carbons. How many carbons? 3 carbons. Prop in the sense we need to write 3 carbons. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That is 1-ene. So the double bond is present here. So we give the double bond here, and the remaining should be filled with hydrogen. Here, how many hydrogen? Already the 2 valencies are satisfied because carbon has its tetravalency. So CH2. Here CH2, 1, and here 1 bond, 4. The valency of carbon is 4. Here CH3. You have to write like this. And this is but 1-ene. So 4 carbons should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. And the first carbon should carry double bond. Here double bond. So here CH2. The valency should be 4. And here H and one more bond. Here CH2, single bond, CH3. This is the structure for but 1-ene. And pent 2-ene. 5 carbon should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In the second carbon, the double bond is present. In the second carbon, the double bond is present. And here single bond, here single bond, single bond. And here how many carbons should be there? Only 1 carbon, because 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are satisfied. Here CH3, here CH, and here CH2, CH3. This is the structure for pent 2-ene. And here 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Come on, prop. In the sense 3 carbon. Okay. In second carbon, the methyl group is attached. And in the first carbon, the double bond is present. And how many carbon should be here? 2 carbon. Here, there should be 1 bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are there in the center carbon. So we no need to write hydrogen here. And here only 1 bond is there for this carbon. So we need to write CH3. These are the structures for these compounds. And in the following steps, what I have taught you is very useful to write the structure from the IUPAC name. We shall learn some more compounds. Okay, let's name this compound. 3, 3 dimethyl but 1-ene. But in the sense it should have 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the third carbon there should be 2 methyl groups. So 1 methyl and another methyl. And to the first carbon the double bond should be attached. Here the double bond. So here CH2, here CH single bond, here single bond because all the 4 valencies are here, and here CH3. This is the compound for 3,3 dimethyl but 1-ene, and here ethene. It's a simple structure, the beginner of alkene. Eth 2 carbon, double bond should be there. Here CH2 and here CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. Come on, listen here. 4-methyl pent 2-ene. Pent in the sense it should have 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 4th carbon, the methyl group is attached. In the 2nd carbon, the double bond is present. So here CH3 single bond, here H, CH, here double bond is there. So CH single bond, here 1 hydrogen and here 3 hydrogen. This is the structure for 4-methyl pent 2-ene. In this video, we have learned what is alkene and what is the general formula for alkene and what will be the suffix for alkene and what is the functional group for alkene, that is double bond. Then how to give common name and how to give IUPAC name and how to write the structure from IUPAC name. All these things we have discussed in the video. Thanks for watching.